Hey, how's it going, everybody? Yeah, so it's a beautiful day, and I wanted to get out and do a little scouting with FIAT FreakOut. I'm in the 1997 Alfa Romeo Spider 2-liter twin spark, and just hitting the roads up at the Dragon just to check it out and see how it's going. It's the first time I've been up this year, and thought I'd hit some of the spots I enjoy. And got an early start. Nothing really gets rolling around here until about 9 o'clock. So it's really nice. There's hardly anybody out on the road right now. The photographers aren't even set up yet. So pretty much have the road to myself. The Alfa Romeo is actually surprising. I hadn't really had a chance to take it out on the back roads yet, and it was actually a lot of fun. Basically, you can do probably 90% of the Dragon in second gear, which is kind of nice. It's got a 7,000 RPM redline, so you got a lot of room to work there. And the car, it's not got a lot of torque. It's not a fast car, but it's it's pretty well balanced. Front wheel drive, pulls you right through the turns. It's nothing too exciting, but it handles well, and it's a lot of fun. So you can't beat it. Open top, convertible, Italian, red. What else could you ask for? I'm in the process right now. I'm heading up to one of our favorite spots from FIAT on the Dragon, and we call it the Hillclimb road. And it's actually it's a dead-end road that basically ends at the most amazing spot you could ever imagine for a view. It's beautiful. And it's we call it the Hillclimb road because they actually do hill climbs here, and it's we've had a lot of fun on that road. We kind of found it by accident, so I wanted to go and check it out and see what the condition of the road was in. It's kind of a loose tarmac, so it's not the best road, but it's a lot of fun. You can just slide around a little bit, and when you get to the top, the payoff is amazing. So I'll jump off here, and then when I get to the top, I'll show you guys what you have to look forward to, and go from there. Okay, this is the start for the Hillclimb road. It's a pretty cool road. Okay, so this is the Hillclimb road. And like I said, it's kind of rough, but it's worth the trip up to the top for the view. A lot of fun. And you won't see any cars on this road. This road is basically, there's no traffic on this road. So we just climbed the Hillclimb road and made it to the top. This road's more about the destination and the drive. The road's kind of bumpy and rough, but it's worth it. So I'm going to walk out on this little path here. Last time we were out here, it was closed, but they've redone the pathway. It's like a bridge that goes out to the overlook. So really nice. The thing about this stop is this road originally was going to be part of the Foothills Parkway. They were connecting the Cherry-Hill Skyway with the Foothills Parkway, and basically ran out of money, or maybe it was an environmental thing, I don't know. Either way, I'm glad they did it. As you can see, it's a nice path, easy walk. I'll just shoot a video of this whole thing and then speed it up. I have to say, this is probably one of the best views up here. There's a lot of views like this on the Cherry-Hill Skyway, but it doesn't get much better than this. From this vantage point, you can't see any signs of civilization anywhere. I mean, basically all you see are mountains, a blue sky. I really hope that the COVID-19 pandemic doesn't prevent us from having the FIAT FreakOut. If you guys haven't ever been to this part of the country, it's amazing. You know, the roads, the mountains. Even if you don't like driving curvy roads, you know, it's worth it to come up here just for the view and for the beauty. It just doesn't get any better than this. If you go that direction a bit, it's the Cherry Hill Skyway, and that road is about 60 miles of uninterrupted vistas and beauty, and just everything about it's amazing. It comes out in Tellico Plains, and basically it's a good place to, you know, have lunch. There's plenty of picnic spots along the way. You want to grab a sack lunch or a picnic lunch, you know, there's always a place to pull over. You know, there's no shortage of places to pull over and, you know, enjoy the peace and have a quick bite of lunch or whatever. I'll let you guys enjoy this for a moment. So one of the good things about this trail and this overlook, even if you have physical limitations, disability, or wheelchair for that matter, this trail is easy, it's accessible to pretty much anybody. So I encourage you guys to make the trek up here. It's about 20 minutes past Tapaco Lodge, so it's really not that far. You know, it's one of those things you could do, you know, run the Dragon, then keep going. It's probably about 30 minutes from Deals Gap. So if you do the Dragon, hit Deals Gap, about another 30 minutes of driving, and you get to see this. There are no restrooms out here. Lots of trees, so you might want to be prepared if you come out this way. No porta potties, no restrooms, but you can see it's not that far. Okay, so we just did a little excursion down to the Hillclimb road, the overlook. It's about 6 miles to the start of the road off of 129, so it's not really that far. It's just a bit down far, you know, from Tapaco Lodge. I'm going to head up to Tapaco Lodge here in a second, and I'll show you guys that. You know, it may be still closed because of COVID-19, but it was closed once by earlier. If it's open, we'll go in there and I'll show you around. There's Tapaco Lodge. Oh well, Tapaco Lodge is closed. Hopefully by the time the FreakOut comes along, they'll be open. They have some amazing food. Tapaco Lodge is pretty cool. It was built back in the late 30s, early 40s, somewhere in that area, where they were building Fontana Dam, and it was built as kind of a retreat for executives and people that were involved with building Fontana Dam. Fontana Dam was part of the TVA, Tennessee Valley Authority initiative to bring power to Appalachian Mountains areas. At least that's what they told people. In reality, it was used to provide lots of needed power to build the atomic bomb that ended World War II. The atomic bomb was built nearby in the town of Oak Ridge, and all the hydroelectric power in this region was part of the reason why they chose this area. It had the abundance of cheap and easy power they needed to do all the stuff that they had to do to build the bomb. So it's a lot of history. Tobacco Lodge, you go to the restaurant and it's open, look around and you'll see the restaurant actually is a bomb shelter. It's got like insanely thick concrete walls with steel beams, and it was designed as a bomb shelter. So, you know, in the event of the nuclear war, atomic holocaust, whatever, it was going to be a place for, you know, people that important enough to know about it could go and be safe, at least they thought. So yeah, check it out. Great food, good pizza, really good burgers. It's right on the river. You can eat outside. Highly recommend it. Next stop, Hills Gap. So I'm at the Killboy store at Deals Gap, taking advantage of some free Wi-Fi and kind of hanging out. It's a lot of fun. You know, this is a good place to come and get souvenir decals, and t-shirts, whatever. Been kind of pretty good selection, and there's always quite a bit happening here. I mean, you get to watch people pull out. You know, got my souvenir decal. I've got plenty of them. Yeah, and you can sign the wall, put your sticker on it, whatever. We did that a while back, as you can see. You know, it's kind of hard to see, but I've got stickers all over this place. I've signed it several times. It's a lot of fun. So this is Deals Gap. Across the street over there, we've got the general store. It's been there for a long time. Been through some changes over the years. And then behind me, we've got the Killboy store. So, always something going on. Over there you can see the famous Tree of Shame. That's where people hang their broken parts from mishaps on the Dragon. So basically, no matter what, if you come to FIAT on the FIAT FreakOut, you have to drive the Dragon. It's that simple. Whether you like to go fast, slow, whether you like to watch others, you got to do it. FIAT FreakOut, Knoxville, Tennessee, July 22nd, 26th, 2020. If the pandemic doesn't stop it, see you there.